Tunggu ya. Tunggu. I'm back. Okay. So this is also I'm in love with golden rose. So half of my makeup stuff is golden rose.
Where is the love of my life? By you kiss.
Uh-huh. I'm really beaming the night. Done. Ah, not done. Wait. The second layer. Second layer mascara. Yuda kan?
Yuda what?
Yuda is asking me to say Yuda ganteng in every live stream.
Oh.
Really? I am back. And I'm done with my makeup. I'm bored. Like, not bored, but I'm sick of it. See, this eyeliner is so bad. See? Doesn't go.
No.
Also waterproof.
Let's see my makeup in light. So good.
But eat something. They want me to eat. I mean, highlighter. But let's see. Liquid one. But it doesn't work. I mean, it works, but I don't like it. Let's see.
Not only that one. You have this kind of highlighters. You see?
Oh my god, it's a powder like in everywhere. I won't look at. But also liquid one, no good. Wait, it actually looks okay.
Yeah, I told you, highlighter is amazing.
Okay. There is no difference. I feel like there is no difference. Is there any difference?
When?
Me before makeup and me after makeup.
Show us. Yeah, there's no different. I cannot see, but show me. You didn't put lipstick?
What do you mean?
Where's yours?
Where's my lipstick? On my maybe this is gonna change. This is like a
Finish makeup. Tuba will go to campus. Amal will meet a new boyfriend. Who's my new boyfriend?
let me find something to eat. I'm hungry. Lapar. Di sini dan kau di sana. Water. I only have Cocoa Pops.
Coco
Guys,
Pop?
not healthy. Don't eat Cocoa Pops. I only have Cocoa Pops. Guys, no. This is not good. I'm not gonna be able to feel full with Cocoa Pops. We have milk. I don't know. It's been how many days that I opened this milk package? I think more than 1 week. I hope I'm not gonna die. It doesn't smell. So I
It
hope.
was in a fridge, right?
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay if it was in the fridge, I guess.
Okay. Hope so. We're gonna put it. I don't need no line. Aku ada kelas tapi
Mm.
5 jam lagi. What semester? First semester. Still first. Gua makan nasi goreng. I wish. Oh my god, I seriously want to try nasi goreng. Please, dekat di hati. Aku di sini dan kau di sana, hanya berjumpa. We are Stuart. I don't know. That song, is like, I feel like it's a funny song, but like it's a happy song, but it's not. I don't know. It's weird kind of. But this that song's vibe is just like, you know.
Apa di sana belum dizuhur? Hmm. Mm-mm. When we grow up, you know it's a shelter. It's a shelter. Whoopee, 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 whoopee.
Done. It's about Ronaldo or Messi. Let me. Can you hear me? Well,
Oh, yeah?
you can hear me, right?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, I switched to my mobile data. You
Oh,
like? Oh, do I look like Barbie?
do you like fruit? Of course.
Which fruit is your best?
I don't have like best fruit. Like,
Okay.
yeah, I like all of them, like banana, uh, apple,
Strawberry.
strawberry. Yeah. Uh, what else? Ananas, pineapple.
Yes. Coba sudah kenyang belum? Belum. It's just Cocoa Pops. I can't be full.
Durian.
Durian.
No, someone in the comments say durian. I never tried durian.
But,
Or speaking durian.
huh?
Oh, it's question. What is
Amal,
the fruit that? Yeah,
I'm talking to you.
I thought you were talking to the comment.
No, I said, would you like to try durian?
Well, yeah, I would love to, but they say the smell is good, so I cannot eat something with it doesn't smell good, you know?
Hmm. It's okay.
I
You
can
can
eat it like that. Yeah.
you do that.
What it tastes like, guys? Durian tastes like what? Tell us, please.
Tastes like. Merhaba. Oh, my stomach hurts now.